how to buy Pi Network AI token. So this token came under the symbol of Pi AI. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get the rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token, it's available on COINEX. How to be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this wallet network. When open your wallet for data, you will use the Bitget wallet. Click on wallets here and make sure to select this one as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. As you can see, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that we just added that's called Pi AI. So after you find it, click on it, click on swap here, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and type here how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive of the token. So as you can see, this is it. Now after that, it is a simple click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Pi AI token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.